This is our classroom contract.
Mrs. Rigby took our ideas and turned them into a contract.
We signed a contract promising to follow these rules.
Some of these rules include have a growth mindset, don't give up, have a positive attitude, include classmates when necessary, have self-control, quiet during discussions, be brave, try new things.
Encourage others, listen to and follow directions, only worry about yourself, respect all people and the environment, be confident, 6 legs on the ground, be a good sport, be kind and helpful.
This is our
Classroom contract.
We change season teams every month.
We pick new team names every month and captains and point keepers.
The captain has an important job of checking if our planners are signed and getting materials for our group. Teams earn points for great behavior and lose points for unexpected behavior.
The point keeper will keep track of when we lose points and earn points.
Whoever has the most points by the end of the month will get a homework pass.
We will have a literacy workshop every morning.
During this time, we will practice reading and writing workshop. Every day we start with a mini lesson on the rug.
We take what we learned about our reading to our reader and writer spots and practice those skills.
Miss Rigby will also be taking people to the big table.
We love reader and writers workshop.
Oh yeah!
Each week we choose a new reading spot.
I put Snoop on this chart.
Each student will get a 10 at every spot so it's fair.
Some of our cozy reading spots include
The stool, chair cushion, and floor chair.
our library is here.
We have tons of books. We have non-fiction books, fiction books, you name it.
Our library is organized in a genre series and Arthur's last name.
This makes it easy so we can find all our favorite books in our library. We can book shop on Fridays, and we get free books for our book bins. We love our library.
All of our math supplies are located here. The I can statements are goals we have for ourselves for math. For example, I can round a whole number to the nearest 10 and nearest 100. I can use strategies for adding and subtracting with 1,000. All of our vocabulary words are posted here. This is the book that we do some math in, and this is some pages. And we're excited to learn some multiplication, and we're very excited.
Yay!
We have different lunch options every day.
Bread choice is the first choice. Every day it changes. It might be rotini, pizza, or things like that.
If you want yogurt, you put the green one in. When yellow. Yellow means you want some butter and jelly, grilled cheese, or something.
And blue means you only want milk.
We count the lunch and we bring that to the kitchen.
We're the lunch count people.
We love food.
This is a scientist of the week. Each week, one kid gets picked from the class and gets to prepare an experiment.
And we need goggles and lab coat for stains and eye protection.
You bring the bag home and pick an experiment. On Friday, you get to share the experiment with the class. On Friday, you get to share the experiment with the class. Yeah!
When we break a rule in our castle contract, we will move down once on our clip chart. If we are going above and beyond and demonstrating exceptional behavior, we will move up. Once we reach outstanding, we are a super student. Super students get to pick a reward from this rewards list. Some of the things on the list is sit at the teacher table for the day, extra PE, show and tell, gum pass for the day, read with friends, pick brain breaks, game for your choice, read to another class, homework pass, lunch with the teacher. We hope we all make it to super student. Our new gem jar works like this. If Mrs. Rigby thinks we are doing well, she will take a handful of gems and put them in the jar. At the end of the month, if the gem jar is full, we will vote on a fun day like extra PE or beach day. We're going to tell you about trivia. A trivia is optional. We get a new trivia question each week. We are allowed to answer the trivia question
Confidentially.
when we complete our classwork. We write the answer on a sticky note. And 10, we get a whole bunch of, we get the answer right. Every Friday, Miss Rigby reveals the answer. And we get a prize from the prize bin. Yeah! We are going to be studying different kinds of words this year. Just not their spelling, but the word definition. We have word study centers to help us practice with the words. Some stations help us practice will be magnet letters, wiki sticks, dry erase boards, sentence strips, and spelling city. We're excited to learn new words this year. have our own phone books for this year. We already picked our Google account and password. We'll be using Google Docs to publish our writing.
We're also doing ST Math, Typing Agent, and iReady. We're so excited for using our Chromebooks this year.
Yeah!
We have jobs in our classroom to keep it neat, orderly, and running smoothly. Each month we change our jobs. Some of our jobs are computers, lights, and lunch bucket. Computer people put the computers back when we are done finishing. When we are finished with the computers. Light people turn off the lights when we leave the classroom.